Hi guys! We just arrived here sa accommodation namin dito sa Kuala Lumpur. And it's already 10 PM. So, lalabas lang kami para kumain. And then, bukas na kami mag-start mag-tour around Kuala Lumpur. So guys, we're now outside and nasa central area kami. Right now, we're just looking for a restaurant where we can have dinner. And then, we will call it a day.
You want to try?
We're gonna try the curry, chicken curry.
Chicken. There's more chicken.
On the top.
Too much chicken. Yummy. It looks from the outside.
It's like shredded chicken with onion, green chilies. This is a fresh lychee and it only costs around 75 pesos lang. If you're traveling here in Malaysia, you should try this Indian restaurant. Ang sarap ng mga food nila and also sobrang mura. Guys, right now we are here sa Little India dito sa Malaysia. Ayan yung temple nila. And as you can see, tourists can go inside basta naka-proper dress kayo like pants sa mga lalaki and then long pants or skirts sa mga babae. And kailangan yung maghubad ng sapatos or tsinelas pag papasok kayo sa loob ng temple nila.
How much is it? 5.
Hmm?
5. Really sweet. Good but sweet.
Huh?
Try.
Look at that. Hello, Malaysia. That's really nice. Minsan lang ako makakita ng ganyan sa Pilipinas. Kaya, good job, Malaysia. Yeah. Yung aircon dito pa heater. Sorry. When you're in another country, puntahan nyo rin yung mga supermarket and then check yung mga local products nila doon. This is Haidang.
Enton. It's Enton. Ours is Shiki Enton.
Sa kanila daw si Enton yun. That's why kailangan nyo puntahan yung mga local supermarket ng mga country na pupuntahan nyo. Kasi isa yun sa tourist attraction kapag nagta-travel kayo. Good morning guys! Today is our first day here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And our plan is to go to Batu Cave. So guys, if you're planning to go to Batu Cave and gusto nyo mag-commute, if you're staying sa Central, just go to the Central Station and from there you can take a train to Batu Cave. Kailangan nyo pumasok sa mall na to and then from first floor, just go up to the third floor and then dun nyo makikita yung Crescent Central Kuala Lumpur Station. Look how nice the stations here in Kuala Lumpur. Grabe, sobrang laki. Yung KL Transit, yun yung train papuntang airport. And then, ito yung mga different line nila. Meron silang LRT and then meron ding MRT. In just one station. Grabe. Guys, sobrang mura lang din ang ticket nila dito. The ticket going to Batu Cave costs only around 30 pesos lang. Sobrang mura. Kaya kung magpo-commute kayo, mas makakatipid kayo.
This train is bound for Batu Cave Line.
Look at this. It's like in Annabelle. It's like in Switzerland when you travel. So guys, we are now here at Batu Cave and the train ride takes around 35 minutes lang. So taking train is the best option to go here sa Batu Cave kasi first, sobrang mura lang ng ticket and from the train station, Batu Cave na agad. So guys, dito sa Batu Cave, you can walk up here for free. And if you're not wearing any skirts or long pants for girls, you need to rent a shawl. Whew. Medyo maamoy dito sa part na to sa taas. So, maselan kayo. Just bring face mask or menthol. I'm here. I made it. How was it?
Good. Get a bit tired, that's fine.
Guys, kabababa lang namin sa Batu Cave and umuulan. So, pumunta muna kami dito sa Amato restaurant just in front of the cave and magpapatira lang kami and just gonna have a small drink and snacks and then mabalik kami sa Kuala Lumpur Central to explore more.
Beautiful background.
How does it taste?
Good, but sweet. They always have sweet tea.
Yeah. Not so sweet, I think it's fine. So guys, we got mee goreng. Thank you.
Try, but I think it's still hot. It's okay. Yesterday was better.
Yeah. Their original or traditional roti. The one we had last night in ABC Banana Leaf, mas masarap yung sauce nila. Then mas crispy and fluffy roti nila. This is their banana roti. We're now going to the Independence Square. So from Batu Cave, sumakay lang kami ng train papunta Bank Negara. Where's the direction, boss?
This way.
Diretso.
Diretso.
So guys, we're now here sa Independence Palace.
That's the Malaysian flag, federal territory, and on the back side you have like different other states in Malaysia.
So now we're here at the Central Market.
And you wear it right, your charm facing the front and turn the other way. Yeah. Thank you for supporting me.
Thank you.
You at 49.
So guys, from Independence Palace, nasa area na rin yung Central Market. Then, if you walk a bit farther, you will see this Petaling Street Market. And para siyang Divisoria sa atin. here at Jalan Alor Night Market here at Bukid Bintang. We're just gonna have dinner and I think we're gonna call it a day. After that, babalik na kami sa accommodation namin since we've been out for I don't know, 6 hours. So here's sa night market. Maraming food options. May Chinese, may Thai, may Indian. Lahat ng cuisine nandito na. And maraming food choices here. So I think if you wanna do food crawl here in Kuala Lumpur, Alor Night Market is the best place to go. Hi guys, today is our day 3 here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And pupunta lang kami dito sa Centrum Mall para mag-lunch. We will just gonna chill today.
Cheesy.
Ito yung coin, ticket nila. And also pala, dito sa KL Central Station, merong platform sa taas and then meron ding platform sa baba. Para siyang sa experience ko sa Basel, mga big station nila, merong platform sa taas and then meron ding platform sa baba. Sobrang ganda ng train system nila dito. Automatic ata itong train nila kasi hindi ito kasama pag ngayon pero walang driver or controller even doon sa pinakalikod. So guys, sa other part lang ng Petronas Twin Tower, makikita nyo itong KLCC Park. Ang ganda ng airport dito sa Malaysia. Hi guys, today is our last day here in Malaysia and we are now here at the Kuala Lumpur airport to catch our flight to Bali, Indonesia. And we're just waiting for our boarding time. Tito Daniel had a diarrhea or something from what he ate. Parehas na yung kinain namin pero siya yung medyo nagkaroon ng problem sa stomach niya. Maybe because nag-try siya ng Indian milk tea and also yung coffee dun sa Little India. So maybe from that drink niya nakuha yung food poisoning or diarrhea niya. So that's the one thing then you need to be careful. Kapag nag-travel kayo sa ibang country, you need to be careful sa mga kakainin nyo. Kasi once you catch food poisoning or diarrhea, masisira talaga yung travel nyo. And then, yeah, later tonight we're gonna be in Bali. See you there. I think there's a lot to explore more dito sa Malaysia since we only stay here for 4 days. Yeah, this ends our vlog. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.